Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas and I'm going to be doing a ring pour, hopefully with the cloud effect. I am using the DecoArt satin enamel, but it's a different color. It's soft linen. Normally I use white, but I figured I would try the soft linen. Now I mixed that 50-50 with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And then I have this color here, and that is bronze, and that's also from DecoArt. And then, let's see here. I have got, that's really pretty, I've got a phthalo green. That is from Liquitex Basics. And then this color here, I actually started out with the Liquitex Iridescent Bright Gold. And I decided to jazz it up a bit, and I added the Liquitex Yellow Medium. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the color of it. And all the paints are mixed with Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol in water, and I'm not using any silicone. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my gloves on, and we can get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to start with the linen mix in the bottom. And then I'm going to put the phthalo green in next. Now I'm hoping that this will end up like the regular white that I use. It's just a little off white, you know. So we'll see. I'm not going to add a lot of bronze because it feels a little bit thicker, and sometimes it has a tendency of taking over, which I do like bronze, so it's no big whoop, I suppose. Alright, I'm gonna add, I made a lot of this. I was kind of mixing until I got, you know, the right color. So we will see. I'll put a little bit more of this in there. The linen. It's actually a little bit lighter than you know, the linen, since I added the white. So I'm going to add just a touch more green. That might be more than a touch. Alright, I'm going to move these. Okay, so I'm going to bend my cup, and I think I'm going to just bend it in this corner here. Alright, so here we go. Okay guys, I'll take you in for a close-up. This turned out really cool. I did get the cloud effect. And I wish that I would have not lost so much of the yellowy gold and the bronze, but it's there, you can see in the lines. I love the dark corners. I think that looks pretty cool. And I got some awesome cloud effect. So happy about that. Alright, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. Take you in for a little closer look. This green is so soft and pretty. And then the yellow lines, it's so nice. I really, really like it. Got some awesome detail. And then up here in these lines, the bronze came through. So the lines are metallic-y and shiny. So that's pretty sweet. And I love the dark corners. I wish I would have left a little more of the dark green. Maybe next time. And I got the cloud effect with the linen satin enamel, so that worked out pretty cool. Alright, so overall I'm very happy with this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.